Hi, good day everyone. I'm Mrs. Cristina G. Fenomeno from Caluangan National High School, Magallanes, Cavite. And here with me is my partner, Miss Arlene Hernan.
Hello.
We are to present our research entitled The Attitudes of Grade 10 Students of Caluangan National High School Towards Problem Solving in Mathematics, Basis for Innovation. I am to discuss the first part of our research.
Okay.
For the rationale, this study determines the attitudes of the grade 10 students of Caluangan National High School towards problem solving in mathematics. Maybe this can answer also the question of the researchers why most of the least mastered competencies fall under solving problems involving different lessons. For our research questions, specifically, this study seeks to answer the following questions. Number 1, what is the profile of the respondents in terms of gender and first quarter grades in mathematics? Number 2, what is the attitude of the respondents towards mathematics? And number 3, what is the attitude of the respondents towards problem solving in mathematics? For the research limitation, the result of this research can be used in designing an intervention program to cater the students' difficulties in dealing with problem solving, more especially in analyzing and understanding the problem. Methodology and research design. This study utilized descriptive design to determine the attitude of the respondents towards problem solving in mathematics. The survey questionnaires were administered to all the respondents to find out their attitudes towards problem solving in mathematics. The data gathered in the survey instruments were statistically treated through percentage method, mean rating, and ranking. For verbal interpretation or remarks of the computed mean, on extent of manifestation, the following were used. 4.5 to 5, strongly agree. 3.5 to 4.49, agree. 2.5 to 3.45, disagree. 1.5 to 2.49, strongly disagree, and 1 to 1.49, don't know or undecided. Now, for the rest of the parts, I am giving the part to Miss Arlene J. Hernan.
Hi guys, this is now the continuation of our research results and discussion. The respondents of this study were the 55 students. 28 or 51% of the students were male and 27 or 49% of the students were female. 7 or 13% of the respondents got a final grade in mathematics of 90 to 100. 13 or 24% got 85 to 89. 20 or 36% got 80 to 84. 12 or 21% got 75 to 79, and 3 or 6% got below 75. The probable attitudes of the students towards mathematics got a mean ranges from 3.50 to 4.49, with agree, as the verbal interpretation of the mean. Among the probable attitudes towards problem solving in mathematics, using subject matter in school mathematics in a real-life situation, got the highest weighted mean of 4.47, which means agree, and rank first, will keep on trying and thinking of different ways without giving up when stuck with mathematical problem, got 3.53, which is agree, and rank fifth or last. 4 or 7% of the respondents answered word problems to the questions, what is your favorite type of problems? 13 or 24% answered open-ended tasks. 1 or 2% answered practical investigation. 17 or 31% answered puzzles. 15 or 27% answered games. 3 or 5% answered projects. And 2 or 4% answered mathematical trails. 11 or 20% answered yes, they like problem solving. 40 or 73% answered no. And 4 or 7% answered they don't know. 3 or 5% answered always they find problem solving easy. 46 or 84% answered sometimes. And 6 or 11% answered never. 32 or 58% of the respondents answered analyzing and understanding the problem is the difficult part of problem solving. 6 or 11% answered planning. And 17 or 35% answered solving and execution of the plan. So after the data gathered and after the methodology applied, here are the conclusions. 1. The response of the respondents in their attitudes towards mathematics signifies a positive attitude towards mathematics. 2. Though most of the respondents found problem solving difficult, they still believe that logical thinking skills will be developed in solving problems in real-life situations. 3. The result of the study reveals that most of the students understand mathematics best when they ask the teacher's help on the lesson. 4. The study shows that even most of the respondents don't like problem solving, still they like to engage in puzzle and games that involves mathematics. And last, most of the respondents find difficulty in analyzing and understanding problem solving. Now, here again is my partner saying thank you and goodbye.